Chapter 16. More about adverbs and adverbials. What is an adverb and what are its functions? Read the following sentences and note the functions of adverbs. 1. An adverb can modify a verb. The fox runs quickly. Quickly modifies runs, a verb. 2. An adverb can modify an adjective. Leela is a very beautiful girl. Very modifies beautiful, an adjective. 3. An adverb can modify another adverb. She sings extremely well. Extremely modifies well, an adverb. 4. An adverb can modify a preposition. The bird flew exactly over our head. Exactly modifies over a preposition. 5. An adverb can modify a conjunction. I dislike him simply because he is a liar. Simply modifies because, a conjunction. 6. An adverb can modify a determiner. He has hardly any friends. Hardly modifies any, a determiner. 7. An adverb can modify a phrase. The machine is completely out of order. Completely modifies a phrase out of order. 8. An adverb can modify a whole sentence. Unfortunately, he could not continue his studies. Unfortunately modifies the whole sentence. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now let us see uses of adverbs. Adverbs can be used in 3 ways. 1. Attributive adverb. An adverb is used attributively when it qualifies another word after it. He did this work very badly. She shouted very loudly. It is entirely wrong. 2. Predicative adverb. An adverb is used predicatively when, being placed in the predicate part, qualifies it in the subject part, and there is no other word after the adverb to qualify or modify. It is here. It is there. It is everywhere. 3. Introductory adverb. When there or here is placed at the beginning of a sentence as an introductory word, it is called introductory adverb. There is no cloud in the sky. There are many boys in this class. There stands a house by the river. Here is a man waiting for you. Here is a telephone call for him. 4. Adverb particles. Some prepositions such as in, out, up, above, below, inside, outside, within, without, etc. may be used as adverb. These are called adverb particles. He raises his hands up. May I come in? Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs are divided into 3 main categories. Adverb, simple adverb, relative adverb, interrogative adverb. A. Simple adverbs. Simple adverbs are of 8 kinds. 1. Adverb of time. 2. Adverb of place. 3. Adverb of manner. 4. Adverb of degree. 5. Adverb of reason or purpose. 6. Adverb of affirmation and negation. 7. Intensifiers. 8. Downtoners. 1. Time. Such adverbs are now, then, before, since, ago, already, always, seldom, often, once, twice, thrice, again, soon, late, afterwards, yesterday, today, tomorrow, daily, early or formally, frequently, presently, immediately, instantly, etc. Example: when? He came home yesterday. How long? Dheeraj frequently goes to Delhi. How often? I have told you twice. To, place. Such adverbs are here, there, hither, thither, hence, thence, far, near, nearby, away, abroad, ahead, overhead, inland, locally, universally, etc. Example: where? Stand here. Come in. Where from? This news has been collected locally. 3. Manner. Such adverbs are clearly, closely, correctly, bravely, badly, sadly, softly, steadily, slowly, soundly, swiftly, simply, suddenly, carefully, carelessly, easily, quickly, possibly, probably, luckily, fortunately, unfortunately, naturally, rightly, urgently, wrongly, widely, thus, well, etc. Example: how? Bhola reads clearly. The tortoise walks slowly. The soldiers fought bravely. In what manner? The boy has been badly treated. 4. Number. Such adverbs are almost, quite, very, much, fully, partly, wholly, completely, strongly, totally, entirely, deeply, greatly, poorly, half, enough, somewhat, altogether, too, little, a little, rather, etc. Example: how many? I take tea once a day. He comes here twice a week. 5. Degree. How much? He is fully prepared. She is quite happy. The fruit is almost ripe. To what extent? I am rather busy. Reason or purpose. Such adverbs are hence, therefore, so, so that, etc. Example: reason: he therefore left the school. Purpose: he is ill, so he cannot go to school. 7. Affirmation and negation. Such adverbs are yes, not, never, etc. However, no adjective. He has no enemy, etc. Example: affirmation: yes, I know him. Negation: I have never heard it. 8. Condition and contrast. Example: condition: If you come, I'll go. Contrast, although or though he is rich, he is unhappy. 9. Intensifier. Such adverbs intensify or emphasize the action of the verb. These are actually, certainly, surely, definitely, really, absolutely, thoroughly, utterly, very much, indeed, etc. Intensifier. He would certainly go there. I really don't know. 10. Downtoner. Such adverbs downtone the action of the verb. These are hardly, barely, scarcely, rather, etc. Example, I can hardly see it. The soup is rather hot. B. Relative adverb and conjunctive adverb. The relative adverb joins two sentences together and shows its relation to its antecedent expressed or understood. A relative adverb is called conjunctive adverb when its antecedent is omitted. A relative adverb makes a relative clause, but a conjunctive adverb makes an adverbial clause or a noun clause. Do you know the man who came here last night? Antecedent, man. Relative clause with relative adverb, who. Antecedent, expressed. Do you know the time when the Rajdhani Express arrives? Antecedent, time. Relative clause with relative adverb, when. This is the reason why he left the meeting. Antecedent, reason. Relative clause with relative adverb, why. Antecedent, omitted. I do not know why he left the meeting. Antecedent, reason, omitted. Noun clause with conjunctive adverb, why. We do not know how it is done. Antecedent, process, omitted. Noun clause with conjunctive adverb, how. The as a relative adverb. The is sometimes used as a relative adverb which is always followed by another adverb of comparative degree. The sooner, the better, the more they have, the more they want. C. Interrogative adverbs for WH questions. When adverbs are used in asking questions, they are called interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverb of place. Where is Rahman? Interrogative adverb of time. When did he come? Interrogative adverb of reason. Why are you late? Interrogative adverb of manner. How did he do this? Interrogative adverb of number. How many boys are there? Interrogative adverb of quantity. How much milk would you take? Interrogative adverb of frequency. How often are the pups born? Interrogative adverb of degree. How far was the report true? Remember, who, whose, whom, which, and what are interrogative pronouns. But where, when, why, how many, how much, how often, how far, how long, how high, etc. are interrogative adverbs. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.